Hello guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'll be showing you how to use Capital One Shopping to book airline flights. Now, to use Capital One Shopping to book airline flights, you'll have to simply install the extension or the application. So, the first step of the process is download the Capital One Shopping browser extension or the mobile application, which is free and easy to set up. Simply navigate to any browser on your PC or your mobile, go to the search bar, type in Capital One Shopping extension. Hit enter. Now it's going to take you to this page where you'll have to simply click on Capital One Shopping add-on. Now it will take you to this page where you'll have to simply click on the get button. So click on this get button. After this, click on add extension. Now as you can see, Capital One Shopping extension has been added to my browser. Now whenever I'm going to search for any flights on American Airlines, the Capital One Shopping will find the best deals for me. So now you'll have to simply check this box, enter your phone number, get the code by clicking on send me a code button. After this, you will have successfully logged into your Capital One Shopping. So after doing these, whenever you're going to search for flights on the platforms like Expedia, Travelocity or other booking sites, Capital One Shopping will automatically scan for potential savings in the background. So, the tool identifies and applies relevant coupon codes to reduce the ticket price during the checkout. Capital One Shopping compares prices across multiple travel platforms to ensure that you get the best deal available. Also, for additional savings, consider tracking flight prices over time to book when the rate drops. So, using this tool can help you save significantly on flights without extensive manual price hunting. You can simply navigate to any browser, go to the search bar, search for flights, then Capital One Shopping will instantly and automatically search for best coupon codes available and will display on the screen. So that's how you use Capital One Shopping to book airline flights. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.